So you might be in a situation where for some reason, Instagram is not deleting any messages. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing you're going to want to do for the most part is just go ahead and make sure that within your Instagram account that you're actually going through and deleting the exact messages that you don't actually want to use anymore. So in this case, if we take a look at our own Instagram messages right here, if we want to delete a specific message, we can just hold down on that message, and if there is a delete button, we want to go and click it. The reason why not every single message can be deleted is because on the other person's side, that message may no longer, they may have already read it, so you can't even delete that message anymore. So not every single message can be deleted. They can be removed sometimes on your side, but basically if I'm sending a message and they've already read it, chances are I may not be able to delete it. But if that message hasn't really been read by the other person, what I can do is I can hold down on that message, and if there's an unsend button, then you should be able to go ahead and delete that message from that side. So it's really a two-part situation. If you are able to go ahead and see it, that means, you sent that message before they read it. But if you're not able to do it, then that basically means, they've already read it. Now you can also try going through and deleting that message by swiping out to the side. So this will basically delete the whole entire message from their side, from your side, not their side, from your side. So if you swipe to the side on this message, just like how I did, swipe to the side, you'll see that more option right there. Tap on it, and you can go and delete basically this whole entire message by clicking on that little delete button right there. So when I click delete, all the messages are going to be deleted there. So that's another way you can go ahead and basically, fix that situation too. So those are two different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.